Sri Sangam Vidya Mandir provides a balanced education that focuses on academics, values, and overall student development. The day begins with a meaningful morning assembly that builds discipline and positivity. In classrooms, teachers use interactive activities and digital TV learning to make lessons engaging and easy to understand. The school also provides well-equipped maths, science, and computer labs for practical learning. Along with academics, students participate in activities like music, dance, and karate, and are encouraged to take part in sports to stay active and develop teamwork. Regular examinations are conducted to assess students' learning and help them improve. All these together create a supportive environment that helps students grow into confident and responsible individuals.
ಶಾಲೆಯು 2009 ಮತ್ತು 10ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ 110 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 4 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈಗ 2026-27ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 1800 ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 65 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, 30 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ.